Hi, I'm Mohammed, the CEO of founder of Visca. We are doing like a demo for the coming MVP that will be ready in a couple of weeks. Currently, this is the accessible public landing page that currently anyone can access. It gives a glimpse or insight of what we're trying to build with MVP. And you can see like screenshots from the platform itself that will be ready. And uh, like the workflow and also the expert, which I'm the first one in the platform, and then frequently ask a question about the whole startup. If we will have three options. The first option is that users, we call them members, who can be like travelers, immigrants, or people interested about discovering opportunities overseas. And we will have a member apart for the partners. If you'd like to become a partner, that means you can be immigration lawyer, immigration expert, relocation advisor, freelancer, tax expert, real estate advisor. And then we will have the admin panel. Admin panel will be accessed by in-house team to make sure that the user's profile, or the member's profile, and the partner's profile are working seamlessly. This is like a screenshot of the Figma that we are currently developing the platform. This will be the first like landing page, and then the sign up. The sign up will have the members and partners. Will a couple of questions: your name, email, where do you want to move, and the relocation goal. And then you'll be able to join it. Once your email is verified, you will have two options. You can start a questionnaire that will ask you information, help understand why you would like to join Visca as a member, or you can skip questionnaire and go directly to the next step. The questionnaire will be like steps. The first step, full information, your contact details, and then citizenship and visas. We would like to know what kind of citizenship that you have. Have you been accepted any visas during the last 5 years? Have you been refused any visas? And list of countries that you have been reside in for more than 12 months since the age of 15. This normally the kind of information most immigration experts and travel experts will ask to make sure that you are qualified to travel this country, apply to this visa. So we ask them at the kind of the questionnaire, but also you have the option to skip the questionnaire. And we can ask more information about post-secondary school qualifications, list of business employment sectors since the age of 18, and then you complete the questionnaire. Once you complete the questionnaire, you have the option to upload your documents. This document could be your passport, your previous visas, your travel history, your acceptance letters, or even your rejection letter. And then you submit the documents. Once you submit the documents and fill the questionnaire, you will have the option to book a consultation, free 15-minute consultation, where in-house consultants, they will be in-house in Visca that will be able to understand the needs of the members and which the best partner to book them. And this will be done online. There is no interactions here. Once you book and find the time and the best way to connect them, you will be able to have the next steps. The next steps will be like a feedback from our admins to the member, explaining them that we will find the best match for your case, and then we will proceed further to the next step. We will have two options. If we already have a partner that address the members' needs, we will get them in touch together, or we'll say, unfortunately, we can't help you with your case at this stage. We will record your information and we'll get back to you shortly. In the same time, you have the option to get in touch directly with us or visit our community where you can ask your questions and get more information. We can also have this is the page for people who would like to act as partners. And we mentioned partners will not just be lawyers, they could be lawyers, paralegals, immigration experts, freelancers, tax advisors, or anyone related to the travel and immigration industry. it will be the same. They will ask you name, email, website, and field of expertise, and then your personal data. And the next step, it's like if you are a legal practice. I mean, have you provide? Are you a member of a legal professional anywhere in the world, or you don't have this qualification? And then you can upload your documents. And then the next step, we have to verify these documents. And nowadays we will have the option not just for lawyers and people who have qualified degrees to apply, but also we will open it to more even freelancers. If you have expert or expertise in traveling to certain countries, but you are not qualified to provide such advice, but we can use you as a freelancer and have you experience to build the platform to the next step. You will apply your documents, and these documents will prove that you have expertise in this area or niche, and then we will verify. This information will be sent to our admin. Our admin will check the information and make sure that you are verified to provide such advice to our members, and then we will give you access to the case list. The cases list will be the members who are requesting advice, and we will put them into the right partners, and we make sure that all the information is correct and up to date. That was a sample demo of the MVP that we are currently working in at Visca, and hope it will be clear, and looking forward, we'll keep you updated about the whole process. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it, and why not join us and make immigration easy again.